Hey everyone, and welcome back to Beacons 101, where we give you mini tutorials on all things beacons. Today, I'm going to show you how to get more views and engagement on your content by promoting with email on beacons. So you're thinking of starting an email list. That's great. We encourage it. We have all the stuff for that. One thing creators do to utilize email on beacons is to promote their social content. And with beacons, we have all the tools for that. I'm going to show you 3 of them. First one is probably my favorite, and it is the AI email generator. Once you log into Beacons, click on Email Marketing on the left-hand navigation. To the right of that, you'll see the AI Email Generator block. Drop the link of your video. I'll use the YouTube video for today. Press Generate, and there we go. We can go ahead and design it with these templates here, or press Customize Broadcast and design it further, as well as the text, subject and preview lines, and recipients. Second option is starting from scratch and using our video promotion template. Head to Email Marketing again and click on New Broadcast in the upper right hand corner, and you'll find a couple templates. I'll choose this one right here. Apply a palette here or design it yourself after clicking Use Template. Change the heading text to reflect what your video is about. Edit the video block by adding a headline and a description. Drop the link of your video, as well as adding a thumbnail, and change the layout and design if you want. Feel free to add more blocks or links down here, such as your YouTube channel. Press Next to add the subject and preview lines and your recipients. Third option is more or less the same with our newsletter template. You know the drill. Head into Email Marketing, then New Broadcast. Click on Newsletter on the left side and choose a template. I'll go with Weekly Recap. With this template, you can update your fans weekly on new content, life updates, upcoming events, whatever. Use this to your heart's desire. Here you can add any type of link to any type of content, whether it's a video, article, or blog. This block lets you add a thumbnail and link it to whatever you want. Same with the photo down here too. Customize the text with whatever you want. Add links to other content too. Edit your subject and preview lines as well as your recipients in the next tab over. And that's it. We made these options for you so you can easily start email marketing and focus on creating content. If you need additional help, check out our help center in the description below or email us at support@beacons.ai. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.